cage up there and looking perfect. And the puppies got ears cropped today. Come here, let me see mama. We got ear croppings. Not this one. The rest, they got ear croppings. We did ears today. Everybody got some ears today. We got tall crops, water crops, short crops, show crops, multi crops, and crops. We've been cropping all day. Come here, Kobe. Let me see. Let me check you out, Kobe. Oh, that's the tall crop. Let me check you out. Oh, shit. You say no? You can't check me out, man. I'll let you know when you check me out, buddy. So look down. Okay, so boom. As you guys can clearly see. I'm not. What's up? What you doing? What you doing? Come on, you coming with me? Maya! What you doing, baby girl? So they don't want me to leave him. Okay, back at it. Hey, no. No, not tonight. They just got ears done. We ain't doing all of that. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Hey. Maya, come here. Oh, she's scared because her ears are good. It bees like this. So they ate a bag you guys. You seen they ate one whole bag of chicken with drumsticks. Hey! Hey! Yo! Let me get this shit out. Move, I'm gonna help you, man. Hey! It's okay, leave him alone. That boy's on guard. Everybody got a chicken and burned off. What? No, because that boy's watching my back while I'm... Hey. It's okay. Hush. Sit. Good boy. Hush and relax. It's okay. It's that though. Huh? We're missing one? 1, 2, 3. It's because they get them chickens and burn off. They haven't ate all day. Can't eat before surgery. Two, 4, 6, 7, 8. It's over there behind you. Over there by the fence. Okay, who is this? Simba. We got Simba. Hey, man, I'm just trying to check you out. Let me check you out, buddy. Hey, buddy, let me check you out, pal. We got Nala. Nala with that beautiful battle cry, man. What up, baby? She still got that blue on her tail, y'all. Yes, sir. Nana. Who it is? Is that Bessie? Yep. It's Bessie. Ooh, hold on. Come here, who's this Lil Kobe? Lil Kobe got a problem, bro. Lil Kobe be tripping. Come. Let me see what's going on, little homie. I'm trying to, okay? I don't want your chicken, bro. We didn't even have chicken with that. That's Rhino. Everybody meet Rhino. Maybe. Alright. Can you give me some water to wash this out? Hey! Oh, baby. Hush. Go lay down. Come on. Come here. What's this? Violet. We used to be Fat Mama, aka Violet now. So we got her ears. So that's 10 pounds. They just down. Straight drumsticks. Blue eyes. Hey. Go lay down and relax. Sit. Come on. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Lay. Lay down. Go. I don't want you trying to persuade me not to mess with you. You need to chill, man. Don't make it hard out here. Move. Get back from me. Move. I'm not finna fake cap it on here. Waiting on me to turn around so you can bark at him again. Alright. Stop crying. I already heard you. I ain't even went nowhere. You want chicken? Good boy. Here. Good boy. Why you jumping on the ground, you idiot? You tripping. Here. Here. He said, hell no, nigga. Don't disrespect me like that. Alright, fam, that's the last one. Cause you know the puppies eat gritty. Here. You over here being bougie. Here. Here. Bitch ass on there, nigga. Okay, nigga, you wanna fight instead of eat. You gotta watch you eat. You know, that's how I think, you know what I'm saying? I would rather you watch me eat and be mad than me or go back and forth with you and we both mad. Hey, relax. Good boy. Relax. I'm fucking up a vlog, bro. He's the symbol, yes sir. He got the symbol every time. Smile. I'm about to get ready to clean up. We just got back from the vet, literally right now, and I'm feeding them because they haven't ate all day. They haven't ate all day. Literally 24 hours that they had surgery at 9 o'clock to 8 a.m. this morning. And that lasted until 4 in the afternoon. So that's about an hour a piece if you really want to get technical. Because we only did 7 puppies. I know it's 8 puppies, we didn't do her. So. Hey. Hush. Hush. I try to give you chicken, you ain't want to be quiet. Starving. Here. They were starving. She had a chicken, a drumstick, and ran all the way over here. Where you going, bro? Hey! Well, see, as soon as I leave, they get the woofing off in the neck. So ass up. You on the whole chain. Oh, bro. Stop. It's okay. Hey. Here. It's right there. Get it. Get it. Your thing. Yeah, go ahead. Get it and go. Here. Oh, you can't have two, nigga. Move. You your punk ass up. Here, mama. Here, Nolly. Nah, that wasn't yours. Move. Get this one. Here. Here, Nolly. Good girl. Here. Take this shit and go. Everybody finished there. What's up, Nana? Oh, there's the water. Where you going? Oh, man. Alright.
Hey!
Hey! Alright. Hey! 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 Move! Come on. Try not to get their ears wet. Just wash the blood and the nastiness stuff off the pavement. Off the pavement. Oh, she snagged him. Fat mama snagged him. Violet. Violet snagged him. And that dog is just sad, you guys. This man twice cut off. The fat boy said, nah, bro, don't go over there. Stay away from him. Stay away from my owner. It's okay. I hear you. I heard you. I'm back. So you guys can see they extremely thirsty. Ooh, ain't nothing in here, you guys. Come on. Ooh, look at Rhino. Boy, come Rhino. Alright. Simba. Hey. Here. Here. Rhino. Hey. Hey. Get your ass off of here. Move, fam. Come on. Is you twisting? I'm trying to have it. Simba. I'm the one. He the biggest. Hey, you guys, he's the biggest. Mommy! Put it right there. Put it right here. Keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Bad boy. He don't want us over there, baby. That's why he's barking. Come on. I said, get away from there. Get away from that dog, bro. Only a few left. Okay. Oh no, Rhino, you thought, man. Give me my bucket back, pal. Come on. Hey!
I'll do it again, baby.
This Kobe. He be tripping. Kobe be tripping. They all want some all right, but they know not to go to Fat Boy. They better off waiting till the pack is done. Get your foot out of this shit. That's the water. I will not raise you like that. What's up, baby? And they fat as hell. Hey! Alright, hey, okay. Baby, that's enough water.
Huh?
That's enough water. The ones that didn't get water need some. That's it. Here. Here. Let it go, Nick. Come here. Oh, Simba. Come on. Get some water, pal. Here. Alright, this Nala. You ready? You ready? I'm waiting on you. I'm letting these two get some water. That's it. No, take it to the kennel, mama. No. Be careful, baby girl. Fat mama dropping a deuce. What's up, baby? Oh, you big. She the biggest puppy too. She the biggest female. Her and Betsy. She's the biggest one. Hey! Enough! I said, hush. Man. What's your favorite? You drink all that water? I know you probably don't want no more. Let me just wash my hands. Appreciate you, my boy. I don't want you to drink that no more because it's chicken. Salmonella. That shit really don't matter. Just ate that shit. What's up, mamas? That's Simba. Don't drop my puppy, please. Put him down. All right, come on. Because he look heavy. They look full. Look too heavy for him. You want it? Maya, what you doing? You like puppies? What? You don't want to be on?
Huh?
Be on it? Hey, say something?
You want to do their clothes?
Yes. Say something. Say hi to the people. No? Okay. Look.
Shy one.
Who's this one? This is yours, right?
Yeah.
Biggest female. What kind of crop is this?
Show.
Yeah, it's fun. Oh, this is my baby. Here's the Simba. Yeah. He's heavy. Ooh, my baby's heavy. What we working with, Simba? Hey! Who's shit? I told you, you gotta let him run around first. Hey, is that Rhino? Is that Rhino?
Yes.
Put Rhino down, bro. Oh, no, that's Kobe.
Yes.
Is that Kobe? Is that Kobe or the female?
Go.
It's the female or is it Kobe?
It's
No, it's not. It's a female. Listen, mamas. So, yeah, every puppy got a crop. Except for every puppy got a crop except for the puppy giveaway because he didn't know if he wanted to. His wife and them didn't know what they wanted, if they even wanted to. So, and then, we can't, you can't be playing around with that stuff. We got a whole litter here, we got to put down the for sure's and worry about the uncertains later. But for sure, every one of our puppies got the ears cropped except for one. And that's because every other owner got specifically exactly what I sent them a picture of ear cropping. There's 4 pictures, 1 through 4. They got to pick. Huh? No. They got to pick through 1 through 4. Some people got tall crops, some people got short crops. It's battle crops in there. Short, show, battle, tall. So basically, it's every out of all 4 crops, it's one of each in here. All of them. So we're gonna keep you guys updated. This is my first video I've done probably in about a week. I have so much going on. So yeah, we're probably about to sleep good tonight. There's Rhino right there. Ooh, look at him. Yes, sir. So, okay. Y'all sit. Good girl, fat mamas. Hey, Simba. Sit. Everybody sit. Hey. Kobe. Because I got to see my name and get a bonus in it. Unless he's eating. I'm trying to, baby! Any of that shit crazy. That shit crazy. No, I'm just working with what I got. Y'all heard me talk about that. I ain't gonna help you, Man. This is definitely a power washer situation. I don't even want to, excuse the cam. We're gonna take a quick detail from the camera angle view. Just a little bit. Alright, so I'm finna go get some water and buckets, wash the poop off my hands, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow for a new update. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys think. Let us know where the best ear cropping veterinarians are in the city and state. We got this done in Oklahoma, 4B Animal Veterinarian. I'm not gonna tell y'all the pricing. You guys can call yourself, and they're gonna rip y'all's ass off the frame. But they do a great job. So, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. We out.